Hello BL viewers, another day, another episode of A Short BL Story. This is episode 3 entitled, I Wish I Was Her. I could be her if only you let me. Her. No matter how much I want to be the one who makes you smile, no matter how often I dream of being the one you love, I can't. You'll never see me the way I see you. In your eyes, I'm just bro. I'm just your brother, the friend, the one who always there supporting you, but never the one who could steal your heart. I know you love her, and every day, I watch you smile because of her. Me, I'm quietly here in the background, wishing that maybe one day, I could be the one who makes your heart race. I want to tell you, I want to ask you, what if I were the one? But I can't. I can't come between what you have with her. She's the one you love, and I won't break that bond. As much as I want to be more than just a friend with you, I can compete with that girl. It's hard to accept. No matter how deeply I care, no matter how much I wish, I always be just bro, because she's the one you meant to be with. Maybe I'll stay in the shadows, the silent admirer, just the one who'll never get the chance to confess, just the one who'll never be chosen. It hurts, yeah, it really hurts. Knowing that no matter how much I care, I'll never be the one you choose because of her.